Today we're going to be doing a quick Cricut 101 tutorial on how to upload SVG files into the mobile Cricut Design Space app. Hey everybody, Nick here from the beardedhousewife.com, the blog and YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly upload SVG files into the mobile Cricut Design Space app. This is the iOS version. If you have not seen my desktop or my laptop version, I will link the video up above. So I am going to switch over to my iPhone so that you can see everything that I'm doing on the phone, and then I will show you how to upload your files. Okay, so here we are on my iPhone, and we're going to go ahead and open the Cricut Design Space app. We're going to double tap that, and now I have a new project here in the mobile version of Cricut Design Space. You are going to head down to the Upload button, tap that, and then hit Browse Files. And then you'll find your Downloads file folder on your iPhone, and mine just happens to be called SVG Downloads. Yours is probably called just Downloads, and I have already downloaded and unzipped the Father's Day Toolbox card, so I'm going to click on that file folder, and then we will see the SVG file. That is the one that is showing the preview. You're going to want to go ahead and click that. You can go ahead and give it a name. And then hit save. You can see that it has been brought into our images. You're going to tap on that and you will see that you have selected the appropriate one because it has the green box around the preview. And then you're going to tap insert. And now you have your file uploaded into the mobile version of Cricut Design Space. Isn't that easy? I love the phone app too because everything is right there and we have our phones out all the time, and I love to be able to use the app when I'm at the doctor's office with the kids, or soccer games, or plays, or anything like that. Anytime that creative bug strikes me, I can just pull out that app and design a little bit. Now, it's not as intuitive or as user-friendly sometimes as the desktop version. However, it is really easy to use. So, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Make sure that you head over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other Cricut tutorials and a lot of card tutorials as well, so you want to make sure to check that out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you all later. Bye-bye.